take-off point. Take-off points, the difficult part for me, myself, is the lips part. When we pedal, the speed is almost catching up with the moving wave, and they will pick and they will have a lips form. The lips is throwing a ball. Even you are a little bit slower than the wave, the lips will push you. It's like, you know, when you do your course, the instructor push you from the back, will push you. The timing of it pushing you is what you want to aim for. If it's mid-tide, it will be a pushing more than a throwing. If it's a low tide, it will be a throwing. A throwing wave will throw you. So if you stand, your timing is a bit slow, it throw you off. So it's a wipe out. Okay? If your timing is right, you don't really have to pedal that much as long as you are on the right timing, stand and straight away it go down. For longboarder will be a bit difficult. Why? Because suddenly the wall form and then the length of the board drop. I mean, in your experience, this will save you a lot of paddling. Okay? For this kind of wave, for shortboarder, you really have to pedal to catch the wave, because there's no push at all. So you gotta pedal all the way to have a same speed, almost same speed with the wave, and then reach the slope, the angle. Last video we talked about the angle that you want, and then down slope. But for longboarder, because you know they can take the inertia, they follow along together with the wave, and then they just stand, you know, a slight slant because of the weight and also because of the length of it, it will start to glide. Normally on a fuller tide this happens. Then this is a wide. A wide is actually a pushing block. It actually pushes you to go in front. That's the reason when you are in the wide, when you are a beginner starting to learn how to catch wave, they put you on the wide because there's no timing involved. See, a high wall timing, the lips, the middle, the mellow wave timing, the speed to catch the wave, and this one is, well, you can let the board go first and then stand, because it wouldn't matter that much. But it is good to get the timing right, because if you keep on doing the wide, basically you'll find out it's very different when you can go into these two waves. Okay? It's the same as when the longboarder go into this, or the other way, the shortboarder go into this. Okay? So for me personally, I do shortboard. The lips timing is difficult for me, especially when it's high. So when you throw that, you know, the sudden change of the speed and also the sudden change of the board angle, I have some difficulties on adapting to it yet until now, especially on steep wave. Okay, so if you watch the last video, go to a surf site, observe the wave form, start to understand that the board you're riding, the wave you're looking for, the wave surface angle that you're looking for, then develop habits of go to the right point, chase the right wave, and take off on the right time, and surf. I wouldn't say right, you know, sometimes it's just enjoy it, it's easier, but enjoy with awareness, then you will improve. Okay, thank you.